Meaning of dress.
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 Dress. The word dress can have multiple meanings depending on the context. Generally, it refers to a piece of clothing worn by a person that covers the body from the shoulders down. Dresses come in a variety of styles and materials, ranging from casual to formal and from cotton to silk. In addition to being a garment, dress can also refer to the act of getting dressed or putting on clothes. Finally, dress can also be used as a verb meaning to decorate or adorn something, such as dressing a salad with oil and vinegar.